Question number 92 on page number 5.108. Leena and Rohit are partners in sharing in the ratio 3:2 and the balance sheet is given. Certain adjustments are given, 5 adjustments are there. So let us find out the gain or sacrifice. Since in point number 5, Leena, Rohit and Manoj will share future profits in the ratio 5:3:2. So new ratio is given and an old ratio is also given. So we will calculate the gain and sacrifice by old share minus new share. So that comes out to be 1/10 and 1/10 for Leena and Rohit both. So what will be the amount of goodwill premium? It is given in point number first that the new partner Manoj also brought his share of goodwill premium of rupees 80,000 in cash. So in cash he is bringing 80,000. So 80,000, this 80,000 will be distributed or will be affecting the capital accounts of Leena and Rohit in which ratio? 1:1. So that is the sacrificing ratio. Now the revaluation account we will be preparing by point number second. 10% general reserve was to be transferred to provision for doubtful debts. This is not going to affect the revaluation account because since we can say that 10% provision is there, and earlier we were observing that we were writing this provision increase in the liability in the debit side. Why not this time here in the revaluation account? Because the general reserve is one of the liability, and from one liability to another liability we are transferring the amount. So this is not going to affect the revaluation account. Next statement, the point number third is claim on account of workmen's compensation amounted to 40,000. Workmen's compensation claim is there. So fund is not there and 40,000 is the claim. So this is an increase in the liability. So that has been shown in the debit side of revaluation account. Next point number 4 is stock was overvalued by 16,000. Overvalued, it means we have to reduce it. So decrease in asset will be in which side? Definitely that will be in the debit side. So both the items I have shown in the debit side, and then totaling it, the loss has been transferred to Leena's capital and Rohit's capital in which ratio? So that will be the old ratio, 33,600, 22,400. Now the preparation of the partner's capital account. So we will start this capital account with the balance given in the balance sheet, that is 1,60,000 and 1,40,000. Then general reserve will be distributed, but it is one of the adjustment that 10% of the general reserve was to be transferred to provision for doubtful debt. So 10% I have deducted from here, and then the remaining I have distributed in the old ratio. Since the 10% is not to be distributed among the partners, that is to be transferred to provision for doubtful debts. So remaining 45,000 has been distributed in the old ratio among the old partners. The goodwill premium, that was 80,000 and the sacrificing ratio is 1:1. So equally I have distributed or affected the capital accounts of the old partners Leena and Rohit. Now how this amount has been calculated? So again and again it is not essential to tell, so I am telling or showing you the calculation work, but you should be practicing it to how to get this proportionate capital. Let us see that. So the calculation of proportionate capital to be brought by Manoj. 4/5 of the capital constituted by Leena and Rohit. Why I have written 4/5? Because 1/5 is the share of the new partner Manoj. So remaining is how much? That is 4/5. So 4/5 by adding the credit total, deducting the debit item, second partner also adding the credit items or the credit values and deducting the debit value. So the amount comes out to be 3,69,000. So this is only 4/5 of the total capital of the firm. So what will be the total capital of the firm? So that will be reversed. 4/5 will be reversed as 5/4 into 369,000. So that comes out to be 4,61,250. Now this is the total capital of the firm. So out of the total capital of the firm, the new partner will bring how much? That is 1/5. So that comes out to be 92,250, and that has been shown in the partner's capital account. Then the balances have been taken out by adding the credit items and deducting the debit items. Now the balance sheet, asset side, debtors 1,32,000 and a provision of 2,000 already was there, and we have transferred 5,000 from the general reserve, so total deduction will be 7,000, so it comes out to be 1,25,000. Stock, it was to be reduced, so I have reduced and written 1,30,000. Plant and machinery as it is 1,50,000, and cash 42,000 was the balance given in the balance sheet, and the new partner has brought his share of capital as 92,250. The calculation of this one I have already shown, and in the adjustment it is given that 80,000 is the premium of goodwill brought by the new partner. Creditors 80,000 and bills payable 38,000. Workmen's compensation claim, a new claim has been arisen, in adjustment it is given, so that I have written 40,000. Then the capital balances from the capital account I have written 1,93,400, 1,75,600 and 92,250. So both the sides total it comes out to be 6,19,250. So balance sheet matched, it means the solution is correct.